Welcome to St. Louis, where the music is blue and the barbecue is always red hot. I'm Steven Raichlen.
Whoa!
Join me for an all-new season of Project Fire. What do you think of that, St. Louis? We're coming to you from a new city. Woo! Okay. With new mystery boxes. Let's find out what else I have to grill with. And fascinating grilling guests.
I love your portion size.
From social media influencers.
Normally I let it sit for a minute.
I don't think that's going to happen
I don't
here.
think that's an option today.
To local legends of St. Louis barbecue.
St. Louis barbecue to me is pork steaks.
And we'll grill Mediterranean with Diane Kochilas, host of My Greek Table. Yummus.
Yummus.
Big flavors, more fire. Don't miss an all-new season of Project Fire.